美国2岁宝宝被偷车贼绑架，警方迅速拉响最高警报，全城通缉，对嫌犯展开硬核抓捕。2024年3月1日，美国维恩县的一家便利店门口，一位年轻的父亲将车停下，打算买东西，想着1分钟就出来，便没熄火、没锁车。等买完东西出来，发现车子连同自己2岁的孩子不见了。焦急的他立刻选择报警。维恩县警方接到报警后，立刻拉响最高级别的安破警报，广播电视、居民手机都开始滚动播放车辆信息和宝贝的照片。一场全民接力的营救就此拉开序幕。警方出动数十辆警车，朝着不同方向疾驰而去。热心的市民们看到警报信息后，纷纷化身眼线。根据路面监控提供的信息，警方很快便锁定了嫌犯大概的位置。数名警员开始下车询问当地的居民是否看到过嫌犯。
Hey, he might be in this tap. He might be in the tap. All these people outside here will dig his house is checking okay. This tap, the truck's right there.
Hey guys, let's get somebody on the west side of this.
He said he walked this way, but they're claiming he's not down here. Give me a. Nobody walked down there, right? Listen, here's the deal. That guy just kidnapped his daughter. Okay, the daughter's in the car, so this is kind of a big deal. That's why everybody's here.
Oh my God! So, I put it on my kid's life.
Nobody walked. Where'd he go though?
I had to have been that way. I wasn't paying attention.
此时距离宝贝失踪已经长达1小时，每个人的心都揪到了嗓子眼。因此，在接到嫌犯可能藏匿在一间俱乐部后，警员们直接扛着真理包围了这里。
Akron police, come out! Hey, Akron police,
come outside.
Come out.
Get someone cuffed. Hey.
很可惜，警员拽走的并不是嫌犯，警员们收到的线索是55岁的白人男子拉里斯·彭斯，特征是身穿衣服、头戴眼镜。
Anyone inside? Come out now with your hands up!
Hands up now! Oh, we got mail coming out to your right.
See, how many people are in here still? Any white males in there?
No white males in here. Does anybody know what's going on there?
Anyone else inside?
Nobody
No one else. Opens right.
Take left then.
没有发现目标，警员们打算进入这个神秘的俱乐部进行全方位搜查。突然，对讲机里传来了发现被盗车辆的消息，于是迅速返回屋外。此时，外面已经围满了热心群众，大家都很关心宝贝的安全。这里所提到的安破警报，是指为解救被绑架儿童设立的紧急全民预警系统，以1996年被绑架遇害的女孩安破命名。警方启动后，全渠道强制推送线索，借助全民力量快速解救孩子，抓捕嫌犯。
Yeah, so that Amber Alert you got.
Oh my God, what do I do?
I can't give you that.
负责在门口守候的亚当警员找到了被盗车辆，于是迅速上前查看。惊喜的一幕出现了，宝宝居然安然无恙，只是被困在了安全座椅上。
What's your name, buddy? You okay?
亚当警员关闭车辆上报消息，而这时宝宝也不知是看到了陌生面孔，还是因为刚刚被绑架而感到害怕，竟然大哭了起来。
It's okay. You're all right. You like? Check this out. You like flashlights?
No.
It's okay. Do you want to hold this?
No.
看到宝宝如此激动，亚当警员试图用自己的警用装备手电筒来讨好小家伙，但似乎不起作用。
Here, I'm gonna take you out. Okay, it's okay. Let's get you out of here.
好家伙，这可比嫌犯难对付多了。于是失败的亚当警员决定用拥抱的方式来增加彼此距离。
Okay. Here, let's look at some books.
Yeah, 23 is good.
My daddy.
I can go 45. That call.
You got some books here. You like dinos? I like them. My little boy likes dinos. Okay.
My dad.
It's okay, buddy.
宝宝一直询问爸爸去哪了，亚当警员见此情景，只能一边联系总部通知孩子的父亲，一边尝试各种方法安抚孩子。
You hungry?
No.
Okay, we're gonna get you to your daddy. All right, buddy?
Okay.
随后救护车赶到，在确认孩子没有任何身体问题后，便带他去找心大的父亲。
Go see dad. We're gonna drive you home now.
Like my daddy.
Beds and stuff.
Well, we're gonna go see Mama, okay?
与此同时，另一队警员在事发地不远的位置顺利抓获了正在逃跑的嫌犯。据嫌犯拉里供认，当时他看到汽车未熄火，便萌生了偷车的想法。在逃跑过程中，他把广播音量调低，突然听到后座传来孩子的动静。而此时的安珀警报强行切入车载广播，发布了全城通缉的消息，这让他惊恐不已，于是赶忙弃车而逃。他被指控绑架儿童和盗窃车辆。法官鉴于他认错态度良好，加上他的绑架是无心之举，且孩子没有受到伤害，判处其24个月监禁。事后发现宝宝的亚当警员被电视台邀约接受了采访。
What is your mindset when you hear Amber Alert and then you find out the vehicle's inaccurate?
Basically, I myself, I'm a father. I have young children. It really started to tear at my heart hearing that there was a young child involved.
亚当警员呼吁家长们对于孩子需要更多的关注，哪怕只是短暂下车办事或者买东西，首先无论如何也要确保车是上锁的，给孩子一个相对安全的环境，避免发生任何意外。这场79分钟的营救，不仅是警方高效联动的胜利，更是一座城市的温度写照。安珀警报的强制推送，市民的主动助攻，让意外绑架案没有酿成悲剧。但他更敲响警钟，美国每年有近40名儿童因被单独留车内丧生，任何时候都不能心存侥幸。所谓安全，从来不是偶然，而是每一个细节的坚守，每一份善意的联动。愿每个孩子都能被世界温柔守护，愿这样的惊魂时刻不再因疏忽而重演。本期视频就到这里，喜欢的话请一键3连。这里是真理追击，我们下期再见。